It's never been so simple or effortless to shoot videos with your phone. Everybody carries a smartphone, which is a capable video camera, in their pocket. In fact, the use of smartphones for mobile creativity has increased to the point where some people consider it to be the main function and equally crucial to communication. Even you can start making great videos, vlogging, or even recording an independent movie or documentary with just your smartphone with a little practice and access to a few key tips. Let's check some of these tips to shoot the best mobile videography. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Shoot in landscape mode. Nothing ruins a good video like two black vertical bars running the length of it. Use landscape orientation rather than portrait when recording to avoid making this simple error. When viewed on a wide screen or television, the landscape will not only make your video appear more aesthetically pleasing overall, but it will also make it more enjoyable to watch. Additionally, the video will capture more ground. Number 2. Framing. Be sure to completely fill the frame with your subject when you are recording the video. To make a scene that is more visually appealing, you can also place your subject either in the middle or slightly off-center. Simply experiment to find what looks best. If you go into the camera settings in the majority of phone camera apps, you can enable grid lines so that while shooting, there are vertical and horizontal grids on the screen. The rule of thirds is the most widely used framing technique. So if you enable a 3x3 grid in your camera app, you can align the subject with one of the vertical third lines or use the horizontal lines to position the horizon line as desired. Number 3. Use lighting. Smartphones are fitted with LED lights that are incredibly bright and can easily affect the color temperature of photos. Thus, instead of rushing to use the flash feature on your phone, consider one of the best sources of light, natural light such as the sun. All you have to do is face your subject toward the source of light. On the other hand, if you need to record a video at night, you may want to consider other sources of lighting apart from the flash feature on your phone. Moreover, it's essential to avoid backlight settings. This is because, while it's possible to see people and their faces when they are backlit, your mobile phone camera can't, and it will produce footage with bright light haloing a dark figure. To avoid backlight, consider basic light setup and configuration. Check out our videos on types of lighting to understand the concept better. Number 4. Avoid zooming. It might be tempting to get a closer shot of your subject by using the zoom feature on your smartphone. But using digital zoom, which is easily accessible on your smartphone, is the worst possible scenario. Simply move closer to your subject and take a video with your smartphone to zoom in without sacrificing the desired vivid, crisp quality. Instead, spend your money on high-tech smartphones that let you take closer pictures of your subject or object. To shoot better, you can use attachable lenses that give your videos the high-quality look you're going for. Check out our video on these attachable lenses. Number 5. Focus and exposure. When taking quick pictures, mobile phones will automatically detect and adjust focus and exposure accordingly. To lock this feature and prevent your video from being overexposed and out of focus, you need more manual control when you're recording a video. Simply tap on your subject to manually lock the exposure and focus of your video using the default camera app on your mobile device. Additionally, while filming, you can change the exposure and focus of your footage. But if you want to get up close to the object or subject and need your camera to focus on a particular area, manually setting the focus is a great technique. Number 6. Stability. Despite how small and light it is, your mobile phone can be held steadily by using both hands and locking your elbows into your body. As an alternative, you can spend money on a tripod to get rid of tiny unintentional movements that might damage your video. Typically, if you're using a tripod, you'll need an adapter clip for your smartphone. Number 7. Recording audio. It goes without saying that powerful and professional videos require high-quality audio. The good news is that mobile phone microphones can perform the necessary tasks. To enhance the audio of your footage, you can spend money on audio accessories like Bluetooth microphones or even those attachable boom mics. These are some of the best external devices you can use to capture audio with a phone of high quality. You can also use Zoom recorders. Number 8. Editing your footage. The best part is that you can do this with high-end software like Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, Movavi, Filmora, etc. on your laptop or computer, as well as on your smartphone with apps like InShot. Generally speaking, you can use your smartphone to perform necessary trimming, transitions, effects, or titles. Your mobile phone can streamline the procedure from start to finish to ensure you get the best results, whether you're shooting an independent film or a project for school. Seriously, you can do a lot with your phone when it comes to shooting videos and even motion pictures, short films, etc. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.